them that they're not
Maybe they call
Coast
it
Guard visible.
But wait a minute, how about sharks? Is that better for sharks? Yeah.
Maybe when I know.
Hey, these one is better. They got the light.
You got another one.
They got the light.
Well, maybe Anna needs one.
David's opening up the good stuff.
It's the same thing, but maybe. But this one's got the light. Anna, maybe
You need one?
need it. You both need it.
Oh, this one's got a light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no speakers.
Oh, that's
Dude, I got
See, they
light.
both need it.
Take it back.
No, that looks
Boy, do they get really hot on your lap?
They do.
Yeah, you've never had a lap.
Burn your gonads.
We didn't put another one.
You have.
No, I didn't put another one.
Roberta just echoed my sentiments. They burn your gonads.
But they do get kind of hot, though.
Yeah, I didn't put another. I just
not
wanted to
good
see
for you.
It's not good for you. It
Thank
could
you
be
for all the love we
carcinogen.
get.
They'll sterilize your
You know what?
family jewels.
You don't think it's good?
Oh, Dad, you got some.
Where is it?
Thank you very much.
I didn't know it.
Anna, you still have that gift I had for him back?
In my car.
Hey, Richard, you got to open yours.
Oh yeah?
You're gonna love this.
Moon pies.
Of all the presents you ever got.